Posting only vlog videos on your channel will not grow your channel. It's not enough. Vlogging will not grow your channel or make you rich on YouTube. Please don't get me wrong. Vlogging is amazing. It's good. But vlogging as a niche, it will not get you where you want to be. I swear. You'll be frustrated with the low engagement and low views. So pick a niche that people are looking for. I know some of you see a lot of vloggers with thousands of views, millions of views, but let's be real here. Let's be real. There's more to it. Stick around, I will tell you. A lot of you love the idea of sharing your daily lives on YouTube, but the truth is, vlogging will not get you where you want to be, especially when it comes to making money on YouTube. The truth is, on YouTube, people don't care about your lifestyle. People are looking for what will help or add value to their lives. That's the truth. That's it. That's why you keep posting videos, vlogs, you keep getting low views. And all those people you see getting millions and thousands of views, there's more to what they are doing. And I'll tell you what they are doing now. So when people come to YouTube, they're usually looking for something that will help them or add value to their life. Whether it's learning, they want to be entertained by watching comedies, movies. They want to laugh by watching comedies. So all those people you see on YouTube, all those vloggers you see with a lot of views, with millions and thousands of views on their vlogs or videos, it's because they have built a large audience in other social media platforms. Yes, they have built a large audience in other social media platforms like Instagram, like TikTok. A lot of them are social media influencers on other social media platforms like Instagram. They have on Instagram 1 million followers, and they post a vlog video on YouTube. The best way to promote that video is to tell the audience he or she has on Instagram, go and watch I just dropped a vlog video on my YouTube channel. Go and watch it, and you see people running to their YouTube channel, subscribing, watching, getting them millions and thousands of views. That's it. So all those people you see with millions of views on their vlogs on YouTube is because they have worked hard to build a large audience on other social media platforms, on Instagram, on TikTok, because TikTok is the easiest way to build a large audience. So let me ask you this question, you that is watching me. If you come to YouTube, when you want to search for something on YouTube, are you searching for how people live their life, people's lifestyle, people's vlog? If you are doing that, which means maybe it's your favorite popular social media influencer, but on the norms, are you looking for how people live their lifestyle? No, you're looking for something that will help you, like how to do this or how to do that, or how to do this, how to do that. You get, that's what you are looking for. You are looking for comedies, you want to laugh, or you want to watch movies, your favorite actors. You get, you want to watch them on screen. That's what I'm talking about. So vlogging will not get you there. The fact about YouTube is that if your video is not providing solution, is not adding value to anybody, is not providing value to anybody, people are not learning anything, people are not entertained, people from your video, people will not watch your video. That's it. People will not watch your video if your video is not helping them in any way, if it's not adding value in any way. People will not watch your video. That's it. I'm sorry to say that people will not watch your video. So if you are picking vlogging as your niche on YouTube, you go suffer. You go suffer. That's it. You'll be frustrated with the low engagement, with the low views. So I think you should just reconsider. Go and pick a niche that. Well, just go pick niche where they hot for YouTube. People want to learn. People want to get entertained. People you see all those how to videos, all those educational videos on YouTube that they are the real deal now. People they get thousands and millions of views on that niche. So you should just, I think vlogging should be a complement to your other content on YouTube. If you are doing vlog, you just be doing it for fun. I think that's it, because it will not grow your channel. It will not get you 1,000 subscribers. It will not give you 4,000 watch hour. It might get you that 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hour, but it will take time. It will take years. That's what you don't know. It will take time. So if you want to grow on this, if you want to grow on YouTube, if you want to make money on YouTube, you should pick a niche that people are looking for. Let's talk about videos that will help you grow on YouTube, make money on YouTube. videos like how to videos, like educational videos, like because people are willing to learn. People want to learn more, like tutorials, how to do this. You get, like comedies, you can do anything. But don't that picking, like doing vlogging is not enough.